for the fireworks are really popping around the neighborhood. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. 4th of July. Always in the neighborhood. You know you're going to have a lot of fireworks. There's fireworks everywhere, man. There's fireworks everywhere. I'm telling you right now. Everybody's shooting off fireworks. They're shooting fireworks everywhere. Over there too, see it? Fireworks should be everywhere as fireworks. They're shooting fireworks everywhere. Yeah, it's very hard to relax with all that noise, but it's having a celebration. What can you do, right? I mean, you're gonna have to have fun. You have to celebrate life. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. You see the fireworks? Every year at the same time you see a lot of fireworks. I don't know where they get the money to buy all these fireworks, but they celebrate the fireworks. See that? Look at that. Now my phone doesn't show the colors too well because of the kind of phone I have, but you can see the colors. They're more intensified without the phone, but because the phone I'm taking a video, it's the colors are are much lighter. But you see, but without the phone, you can see the colors even better, sharper. Look at that! Everybody's into fireworks. A big noise in the whole neighborhood. Everybody. The whole neighborhood's in the fireworks. This gonna go on. This gonna go on all night, all night, all night. Believe me, all night. Ooh, it's gonna go on all night.